Tips on how to properly deal with arthritis. How would you like to read some great tips about arthritis? Most likely, if you are interested in this, then you are currently suffering from it, or know somebody who is. Use this video to discover some of the best tips and tricks available for dealing with arthritis. Learn as much as you can about the disease. The more you know about the symptoms and treatments for arthritis, the more of an active role you can play in your treatment plan. It can also help you to feel less alone, to read about what others with the condition are going through and what they've been trying. Reduce the stress in your daily life. Stress causes your body to release the neurochemical cortisol, which causes inflammation. People with arthritis should know that inflammation is the main cause of the pain and stiffness of arthritis. Reducing stress reduces your body's production of these chemicals, which relieves your symptoms. Thinking positive thoughts can help you to cope with arthritis pain. It might sound silly, but a strong mind/body connection does exist. If your mind thinks positive, it is difficult for your body to feel negative. Fill your life with happiness and you might just find that your pain quickly diminishes. Maintaining a diary on a daily basis should be something you make a point to do if you suffer from rheumatoid arthritis. This diary may help you understand what triggers your flare-ups in daily life. Keeping a diary also lets you see what's helping relieve your arthritis. This is also valuable information that your doctor can use to determine a course of treatment. It is a helpful tool for many purposes. Those with arthritic conditions would do well to avoid uncomfortable shoes, particularly those with high heels. Wherever your arthritis affects you, a pair of uncomfortable shoes can make the effects of your arthritis worse. Purchase a pair of sturdy, comfortable walking shoes instead that will provide your feet with the support they need. Relax in a chair and do some deep breathing exercises. You will then forget the pain you have for a little while and have a chance to think happy thoughts. In conclusion, you want to find out some great advice regarding arthritis and ideally, you found helpful information in this video. Use this information today to start living better, despite the painful nature of this condition. Your overall well-being is dependent on living, as free of pain, as possible. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.